Hello and welcome to my dream build of a Pinarello F8 disc. First job was to attach the handlebar and stem to the bike so that we could get it in this position. We then attached the brake calipers front and back to allow us to feed the hydraulic pipe through the frame using welding wire as a guide, and we did the same for the gear change cable. All of this hardware has been supplied to us by Hope in Derby. They've done a beautiful job of creating this carbon fibre handlebar and machining this aluminium stem and brake calipers. Welcome to the final stages of the bike build. We've fitted the brake pipes and gear change cable, as well as bleeding the brakes. We've fitted the wheel using the axle and adjusted the brake calipers to be central to the disc. We've also fitted the crank and sprocket. So the final stages are to fit the saddle, the two pedals and the rear derailleur, as well as fitting and getting working the gear change cable. This bike's just going to be 11 speeds, so no front derailleur, just rear derailleur. So you join us with the final product of my dream build, and the brakes still need a bit of bleeding, and the gear change still needs a bit of tweaking for it to be perfect, but otherwise this is the finished product and I hope you enjoyed.